Happy Tuesday. It's your Tuesday tip, understanding the world of transition. Transitional words are words that bridge your sentences and your paragraphs together. So we're going to break this down into a series. Today we're going to focus on two concepts of transitional words. One is called the coordinating transition. They help coordinate your sentences and your paragraph. Starting with to show similarities or to reinforce words such as like, also, and to. These show similarities and reinforce what you're saying. The next is you want to introduce an opposing point. Words like but, yet, on the contrary. Another one is to signal a reinstatement. Terms like in other words, in simpler terms, that is, or definitely. The next concept is subordinating transition. That is to introduce an item in a series such as first. You always have to have a second with the first. To introduce an example such as in particular, specifically. To show casuality, words like so, hence, because. Another concept is to introduce a summary or a conclusion. Words like finally, all in all, eventually. Last but not least, to signal a concession. Words like naturally, of course. These are just two of the block forms that we're going to focus on today with understanding the world of transition. Go to the Writer's Block page at Writer's Block Publishing LLC. Download your free printable for the world of transition for first in today's series. Happy Tuesday.